Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to integrate the intro slider into our React Native application. So for this I have created a project called Tnative where you can find the entire code. I will be placing this code into our Blogger site or GitHub. You can find the code there. So before going to show the code and write the code, I will show the demo of how it works. So this is the demo. So we will have the skip button and next buttons, so user can scroll through the slider. So once it is reached to the last, we can see the done icon here. So if you go to the backward, you can see the skip and next buttons like this. So you can put a number of things here, like once user click on this icon, you can navigate to some other place or like that. So we have skip button here. Once user click on skip, you will be going to the home page of our application, and not only by using the scrolling, you can click on the next button as well for navigating to the another slide. So once user click on done or skip, he will be navigating to the home page of our application like this. So now we will see how to code this practically. So this is my home component where I am going to write entire the sliding code. So first we need to install the package. I'm going to integrate terminal and yeah, I'm going to install the package. So npm install React Native app intro slider. So you can search about this slider package and you can find a number of things there, and we are going to discuss this briefly in our tutorial. So let us wait until it gets installed successfully. So it got installed successfully. If you want to verify that, you can go to package.json. So inside this you can find the dependencies. There is a dependency called React Native app intro slider. When I am recording this video, the version is 4.0.4 and it may vary whenever you install this package. Now let's go back to our home component. Here I am gonna take a variable like show our home screen. So once user clicks on this skip or done, we will be navigating to the home screen or app.js like that. So the root component of our application. So for this I am going to take this variable called show slider is equal to useState. As this is the functional component, I am taking useState to create the variable, and the initial value will be the boolean value. It can be true or false, so I am taking it as false. So initially we need to show the slider, so we need to take it as true. So inside this I am taking a curly braces and I am going to copy this show slider. So if the slider is shown as true, I want to show a view, or else I want to show another view. Inside this I am taking the text. I am home component. So if the slider is shown as true, here we will see the sliders, and if user clicks on the done or skip button, we will make this slider as false, show slider as false, and we can see this I am home component text. So first we need to import the package whatever we have installed. So we need to import app intro slider from React Native app intro slider package. Now I'm gonna take this and place it here. We can remove this. Now let us save this, and this app intro slider will take multiple parameters. So we will see all this whatever we need to send here. So mainly it will take a parameter called data. So to this data we are gonna send some array of data, array of objects. So inside that objects we will place all the components, all the images or text whatever we need to show in the slide. So first we will create a slide or slider. Slides. So it will be empty array. So we're gonna send this empty array or array of slides to this data. So these slides will take multiple objects. So each object will consist of different properties. Let us see what are the different properties inside this. So these are the different properties which we have in this object of slides. So one is the key, where we can place all the IDs. If you are dynamically getting it from the API, we can specify the IDs here by mapping that, and you can specify the title, where we can show the title in the header part, and the text, which we can show it in the bottom or something like that. And this is the image, this is the main part. So we should place that inside this require, and I have already placed some images in this assets. If you want to see, you can go to this assets folder, and you can see these are the 3 images I have placed here. So I am taking this assets here like this. So like this you can place a number of objects. And the keys should be different ones, like 2 and 3, like that. I already have some objects here, so I am placing this, removing this, I am placing all. So we will see another property called render item, and on skip and on done, what we will do and all. So the second property is the render item. After data we can place render item is equal to, this is the method which we want to call. So this will return some view, render item or slide, anything. So we will create an arrow function here with the same name, const render slide is equal to, like this. So inside this you can return the view. Like this. So inside this view we can have the item or image, everything, buttons, like that. So this render slide will provide the items, different items what we have provided here. So this objects will be provided as an item to this render slide. It will be happening internally. It can be anything, item or render items, like that. So inside this view I am gonna have some text. So inside this text I am gonna take item dot title. So you can see here we got this title, hello all, and next one is be cool, like this. So we will place all these images and items like this. I already have the code, I will be copying this. So you can see here I have placed the view, and inside this view I have taken a text. This is the title and this is the image, and the next one is the body text. So below this you can see the title, image, and we can see the body text below. So you can see the body text here, title and image. So user can scroll through these all the sliding options. Now we need to apply these styles in our application. We need to create these styles. So here if you see here I have applied the styles, image style and sliding style, image text style, and our container style to show it in the center, and the image size will be width 50 and height 55 and all. So this is the background color I am going to apply, and this is the image text style. You can see this is the white color image text style and all. So the next property we need to see here is to show the different buttons, how to show these buttons like done or next or skip like that. So let us see how to do that. So now we should be able to see the skip and next buttons. Once we place show skip button equal to true, we will be able to see the skip button. As of now, once you click on the skip button, we are not able to do anything, and once you click on the done, we are not able to do anything. But we will be able to click on next and go to the next slide. Now we will see the functionality of done and the skip buttons. So we will have two properties. One is on done. So inside this we can write a method or function call, and we can have on skip, where we can call a method or directly write the code here. So here I am gonna set this show the slider as false. So if user click on skip or done, the slider will be removed and user will be going to the home page. Now let us save this. Now once user clicks on this skip button, he will be able to navigate to the home page. You can see home component got rendered here. And I am going to show the show the done functionality here. So once user clicks on the done button, after clicking the next, we have done, and once user clicks on this done, we will be able to render the home component. So this can be anything. So based on your requirement, you can render different components once user clicks on skip or next or done. So in this way we can integrate a app intro slider into our React Native application. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.